Right. Question number 8. We have been asked 2 to the power 6 is equal to 4 to the power what? What should be the index here? How do you do this question? So first of all, we got to know what is 2 to the power 6 is. How do we find what's 2 to the power 6? That is, what does 2 to the power 6 mean? 2 is getting multiplied repeatingly 6 times. So you got to write a chain of 2's connected by a multiplication. How many 2's? 6 2's. Alright, so what is 2 times 2? 2 times 2 is 4. Then comes 4 times 2. What is 4 times 2? That's 8. Then comes 8 times 2. What is 8 times 2? 16. Then 16 times 2. That is 32. Then 32 times 2 is 64. So what is 2 to the power 6? It is 64. So in the place of 2 to the power 6, I can write 64. So 64 is equal to 4 to the power what? How do we find how to write 64 using 4 as the base? So what do? We got to keep dividing 64 by the desired base. So we want 4 to be the base. So let's divide by 4. 64 divided by 4 is 16. There are 16 fours. You can do the long division and check. There are 16 fours. Then once again you divide by 4. You got to keep on dividing by 4 till you get 1. What is 16 divided by 4? How many fours are there in 16? That's 4 fours. 4. Once again you divide by 4. What's 4 divided by 4? It's 1. So now you stop your division. So what is 64? It's 4 to the power. What should be the index? The index has to be 3. So 2 to the power 6 is equal to 4 to the power 3. Is equal to 8 to the power what? So 8 is the base and something is going to come as the index. We've got to find out what should come as the index. What do we do? Same thing as we did for 4. We've got to divide 64 by 8. So 64 divided by 8. What is 64 divided by 8? That gives us 8. There are 8 8's in 64. You divide once again by 8. You keep on dividing by 8 till you end up getting 1. So what is 64? That is 8 to the power of 2. The index has to be 2. So what is 2 to the power 6? That is equal to 8 to the power 2.